All right, balancing a redox reaction. So first I'm just going to write it out. It says represent the oxidation of I minus by permanganate. Those are the reactants then in basic solution to yield. So now I'm onto the products, I2 and the MnO2. All right, how do I balance this? First thing, separate into half reactions. So the iodine goes in one reaction, the manganese in the other. Next, I'm going to balance anything that's not oxygen or hydrogen. In this case, that's just adding 2 iodines on the left. Now I'm balancing oxygen with water, so that's 2 waters on the right of the second equation. Balance hydrogen with H+. There's no hydrogen in the top one, but there's 4 on the right, so I need 4 on the left. Now I'm going to balance charge with electrons. I'm figuring out the total charge on the left and the total charge on the right and making them the same by adding electrons. So I need 2 electrons on the right of the top one. And in the bottom one, I've got +3 and 0, so I'll add 3 on the left to make it 0 and 0. All right, now I want to add them together and have the electrons cancel, and if they don't, I need to make that happen. So I'm going to multiply the top one by 3 and the bottom one by 2 to have 6 electrons in each, so they'll cancel. All right, I'm going to cancel my electrons. If anything else canceled, like the hydrogens or waters, if there were some in the top and the bottom reaction, I could cancel those as well, but nothing else cancels here, so I'm just going to write it out, adding up everything on the left from both equations and then everything on the right from both equations. Okay, this is not done, but I should have a balanced equation at this point, so I'm going to check it. I'm going to check my elements first, and then I'll check the charges. So I have 6 iodine, 8 hydrogen, 8 oxygen, and 4 plus 4 is 8 oxygen on the right, and 2 manganese. And then the last thing I should check is the total charge on the left equals the total charge on the right. So I have -6 plus 8 and -2, that adds up to 0. On the right, none of them have charges, so that's just 0 plus 0 plus 0, so they're the same. They don't have to be 0, they just have to be the same as each other. So this is a balanced equation. It doesn't answer the question because this is an acidic solution. I know that because I see H+. The question asks for basic solution. So I'm going to use my acidic solution balanced equation as my starting point to finish the reaction and get it to basic. So first I'm just going to recopy it so I have a fresh start. And what I want to do is get rid of all my H pluses by giving them each an OH minus to make water. Since this is balanced, at this point, anything I do to the left, I also have to do to the right. So I'm going to add 8 OH minuses on the left, 8 OH minuses on the right. On the left, those are all going to combine to make 8 waters. And now I'm basically done. I can cancel. I see I have 8 waters on the left, 4 on the right. That's really just 4 on the left. And that's it. Now I'm just going to recopy that. I'll have OH minus this time instead of H plus. That's how I know it's basic solution. And I'm just going to check again and make sure I haven't messed anything up, and it's still balanced. So 6 iodine, 8 hydrogen, 8 hydrogen. Now I have 12 oxygen and 12 oxygen, 2 manganese, and then again the charges. 6 minus, 0 for water, 2 minuses. That's 8 minuses on the left, 0, 0, and 8 minus. 8 minuses on the right. That's it. Got it.